Hello, welcome back to Color Class. I'm Sarah, and today we are going to be talking about color analysis, but for the very controversial topic of the movie, It Ends With Us. I don't know if you guys are on TikTok or Instagram, but the internet is blowing up over Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni. So I don't really understand the whole drama behind it. So if you're interested, go hop on over to TikTok because it's all over the place. But what I am interested is some of the wardrobe choices. And I wanted to talk about that because we started to get glimpses of the color choices and the actual looks that were in the movie. And I wasn't loving it at all. I did not think the colors suited Blake Lively well. I did not think the outfits were that great. So I wanted to talk about the colors in a color analysis standpoint. So let's see what was going on in that movie. We've seen Blake Lively before. She's usually either a blonde, cool or warm, or red hair. I think that's kind of like the range I've seen her in mostly. So let's take a look at Blake Lively with cool and with a warm look going to her. So on the left, we have a very cool look. Her hair is ashy or blonde. There's a lot of cool tones in there. You can see her lip color is a soft magenta color. You also have the red around her neck, which is also cool, even though it's not soft. So we have a very cool look on the left-hand side. And then on the right, look at her hair. Look at the shift. Do you see how much golden blonde is in her hair? How much her skin tone has been warmed up? Even her brows. Look at the different colors between her brows. You can tell how much more warmth is here on the right. Her lip color is still, it's not as blue-based, but it's getting warmer. Her eye color looks warmer on the right because she is so warm. She has warm jewelry on, a warm orange top on. So you can see how Blake Lively is adjusted to go cool versus going warm. Now, in the photos I've seen for the movie with It Ends With Us, her character is Lily. So the first outfit I saw, she's wearing a dusty pink color, and her hair in the movie is like red. The character from the book, this is based off a book, had red hair. So they do have her with a red hair. Now they have her in this dusty pink color. Not a fan. Now take a look at her skin tone. What is that doing to her skin tone? It's removing the warmth from her skin tone and also removing the warmth from her hair. So do you see how her hair looks? Oh, it almost looks dustier. Like the rich red was pulled from her hair because she's competing with a soft, dusty color. So the warmth is just stripped away from her skin and her hair in this color. So you can tell something is not of a piece here, which is her hair. Her hair is not of a piece because she has this rich red hair and it's looking so dull. It's almost looking blondish on the ends. It looks like the color has faded. Next outfit, she's in a brown meets green, maybe like, I want to say like bark. It's kind of like a bark color. And it's not the best either because it's pulling the warmth out of her skin, but it's also showcasing the brown, that color in her hair. So what is it going to do? It's going to pull out the shadows. You can see in her cheeks, under her chin, it's going to draw out those shadows because it's trying to find harmony, which the harmony is in her shadows. Her hair is also it looks better than the pink. It looks more warm than the pink, but it is still being removed. Her brows are showcased well with this color because her brows are kind of this color. But other than that, everything else, it feels like the color is just being pulled. It's that particular bark color is draining her hair, her skin tone. And you don't see much of her eye color here, so we can't tell what it's doing to her eye color. But again, not my favorite color choice. We do have one coming up that looks good, but another one that was not a great color choice was this mustard color. Now, if you are within the autumn category and you have you're either deep or true autumn, you look good in a mustard color. But there's more vibrancy here. And what is it doing? It is trying to pull yellow out of her hair. It is trying to make her shift yellow, her hair color shift yellow, because it's finding harmony. And that harmony is in her hair. But of course, it's now making her hair look mustard color. So it's draining her of that. It's also making her skin tone look more yellow as well. So if you are somebody that doesn't fall within those categories and can wear mustard, this is what it might look like on you. Now, enough of the bad. I want to get into a good shade. Well, the best shade that I found so far that she has worn, which is this blue color. It's going to showcase her red hair a little bit better. Now, there are better colors for her. This is just the best I could find. This blue, it's helping showcase her hair more. It brings back the warmth to her skin tone. It brings back the warmth in her hair. It kind of gives her that natural glow that we always look for when we do color analysis. Now, is this the best thing ever? No, because she has like the white fur-lined jacket. So it's really breaking it apart, the blue color, which could be super beneficial for her. But just with all the different high contrast colors going on, it is taking away from that. Now, if I were to put like a smock above her that was just that blue color, she would look great. But because we have all these other competing colors, it doesn't look that great. But it was the best I could find within the show. Now, the fashion was out there. Now, let's move on to our man, Justin Baldoni, because he showed up to the premiere in a light pink suit, which was so cute. I absolutely loved it. It was so funky, finally giving us some color. Now, before I say anything, I want to know your opinions on, I'm going to give you 3 options. I'm giving you a light pink, a medium, well, it's pretty clear, and then a deep as well. I want to know your opinions, okay? I want to hear what you guys think is the best. And I want to know based off initial reaction, which one do you gravitate towards? And then after you really evaluated each of them, which one did you think looked the best on him? And I want you to look at things like fine lines and wrinkles. I want you to look at shadows. I want you to see which one is making him look more healthy, which one is making him look more tired. Those are key things. Healthy hair as well. That's another thing to look at when we look at color analysis. So, do you like light, medium, or deep? Let me know down in the comments. Now, I just wanted to make this a quick, fun, simple video. I know we have been throwing a lot of videos out there where we are doing colors based off fashion items for fall 2024. So we did the blazer, we did the cardigan. And if you're interested in either of those items, go check out those videos. I'll put little links for them right here. But I hope you're enjoying those types of videos. I want to know down in the comments what you think, if there's anything we should change or adjust. Thank you for being here for this short, quick video. I know we've been throwing a lot out there, so I want to make this short and sweet and get your opinion. I feel like we haven't been able to chat as much that we normally do. So thank you again for being here with us today. Thank you again for being here with me today. Lastly, we are available on Patreon. We are available TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. And if you want to help us out here on YouTube, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share. Finally, I'm getting that right. So don't forget, any of those things really helps us out. Lastly, I'm Sarah. This has been another color class, and we'll see you in our next video.